In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an FAQ page in Shopify, and then we'll take a look at how to add it to your header or footer menu so your customers can find it easily. Creating an FAQ page is a fantastic way to address common customer queries and enhance the shopping experience by providing clear, accessible information. Let's dive into it, step by step. First things first, you'll need to log into your Shopify admin panel. This is your go-to area for managing all aspects of your online store. Once you've logged in, look towards the left-hand side of your screen and find the option for Online Store. Hover over it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Pages. This is where you'll see a list of all the pages currently on your store. Next, click on Add Page. This button will allow you to create a new page. Here, you'll have the opportunity to enter a title for your FAQ page. You can keep it simple with something like FAQ or Frequently Asked Questions. Your choice will depend on your store's tone and style. In the content editor that appears, you can start adding all of your questions and answers. It's a good idea to group similar questions or topics under clear headings. This not only makes it easy for your visitors to find what they're looking for, but also enhances the overall readability of the page. Format the text using headings or paragraphs to make each section clear and distinct. Now, while this setup will work for most scenarios, you may have a theme that offers enhanced formatting options, like a dedicated FAQ template or collapsible content sections. These features can provide a more interactive and visually appealing presentation for your FAQ page. To explore these options, head over to Online Store, then Themes, and click on Customize. This interface allows you to tweak various aspects of your store. If your theme supports it, look around for a section or block type labeled something like Collapsible Content or FAQ section. Some themes even allow you to create a custom page template just for the FAQ, which can be a game changer in terms of layout and functionality. Once you're satisfied with the content and layout of your FAQ page, remember to save the page. Functionality takes precedence over aesthetics, but if you have access to advanced templating, a well-organized and neat FAQ page can significantly enhance user engagement. Your page is now created, but to make it accessible, you'll need to add it to your store's navigation menu, either in the header or the footer, depending on where you'd like it to appear for easy access by your customers. A well-placed FAQ page not only guides shoppers, but also reduces the time spent in responding to common queries, streamlining the customer service process. Keep these strategies in mind as you work on your online store, and your customers will thank you for the ease and convenience.